You know you're officially an adult whenever the new pool filters show up and you're excited. So we've had our pool for 3 summers and we love it. And I've actually never changed the pool filters. Now I've cleaned them 5 times, I think, and they're getting to the point where they're deteriorating, and then we're seeing some leaks around the canister over here. And so I think it's time to change them. I'm really excited. I will show you the before and the after. I'm not gonna show you how to install it. It's pretty commonsensical, but I hope this helps. I did a lot of review on this POOLPURE, what it's called? Yeah, POOLPURE filters, and results are great. The price was good. I'm just hoping that they'll fit and that I will just open them up and feel like they're quality. So we'll see. I'm not gonna show you the full install, but I will show you this. I was leaking just a tiny bit here. I've actually just loosened that so it wasn't that much, but also leaking over here whenever it was on high pressure, and then even a little over here. And so I used AI and figured out that if you're getting some leakage and you're not used to that, it very well might be your dirty pool filter. And I knew ours was certainly in need of changing. So I've got the system turned off. I'm gonna drain it, I'm gonna open it up, take the old ones out, put the new ones in, fire it back up, and I'll let you see it. These are obviously the new filters compared to the old ones. Each of the new ones come individually wrapped, and the old ones I have now cleaned, like I said, 5 times. That saved me a lot of money, but you do reach a point where you need to replace them. They're just no longer functioning as they should. So I'm gonna clean all this up, and I'm gonna throw these away, which is so nice because when you have to clean them, it's like an hour and a half job. I'm just gonna throw these new ones in, and I'll show it to you again, and I'll let you know if it stopped the leaking. Don't forget to turn on all your valves again. I had to cut these 3 off. Don't forget to put your drain plug back in. What else? Tighten it down appropriately. Then you just turn it on and look for leaks. This is where I was seeing leaks right there, but I'm not seeing any more on high speed. I was also seeing leaks over here, nothing on high speed. Yeah, it's good. And then once it's flush, turn your air intake back off. Woo! I'm rocking and rolling. Okay, so again, one last look with the system closed. No leaks. Don't forget to set your pressure when it's on high. Move it to clean. And then whenever it gets filled up, that dial's gonna obviously move up to dirty, and that's when you know it's time to clean it. I'll probably clean these maybe 4 times this time. We usually do it at the end of the season and at the beginning of the next. But all in all, I'm happy for these POOLPUREs. I will make another video if something goes wrong, but I don't expect anything to go wrong. These were a perfect fit, and just look at the improvement here. Good grief. Yep, it was time. All right, hope that helps. This is so exciting. All right, have a good day.